Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tash, and today I'll be making banana oats porridge. That's my pot on the stove boiling with a cinnamon stick inside, and these are just a couple of the ingredients that I'll be incorporating. So I have, salt for taste. Sweetness is condensed milk and light brown sugar, and later on you're gonna see that I also incorporated a little bit more flavor, quicker oats. I love this one because it's not so rough on my stomach, and I just use like 5 green bananas, and probably like a teacup of water, and probably like 2 teacups of water in my NutriBullet. And yes, I had incorporated the oats, to liking, and that's what it looks like. So in this clip you can see me removing the cinnamon stick before I actually add the product to the pot, and I'm just adding my products into the pot. And be careful, because if this splashes on you, I'm telling you, you can have an emergency case, and we don't want that. So take your time, and I'm just stirring it, gently stirring it back and forth. And you're gonna do this in intervals. Just make sure like you time the pot and you stir it every like 5-6 minutes so it doesn't crackle. And in the video, as it proceeds, you're gonna see like it looks like it's crackling, but it's actually the oatmeal. And I'm just turning it down on medium heat, and I'm just stirring away, making sure that the consistency is good and it thickens. Look at your girl cooking, chefing it up. But I really love to cook. I grew up cooking, seeing my parents cook. My mom, she loves to cook. She's always in the kitchen. We can't get her out. Even on Mother's Day or birthday, can't get her out. So it's in the DNA. And I'm just stirring away and making sure that everything is incorporated. Like one thing is not clumped up in one side of the pot. Like I'm making sure it's evenly distributed, and I'm just taking my time. And cooking is all about you just need to know what works for you. And in this clip you can see that it's bubbling, and I'm just going to stir it. And I'm telling you guys, when you're cooking, this is from experience, don't be doing 50 million things, because I'll be that type of person that I'm doing laundry, I'm doing my hair. You need to make sure at least have your timer on. And this is my can opener. I wanted to show you guys how easy and effective it is to open cans now. Like you don't have to be using that one that you normally screw. No, technology's here to save the day, and I love it. Love, love, love it. So yes, that's my condensed milk. I'm getting prepared to put in my porridge. And yeah, the cover you have to be careful, you don't want to cut yourself. That's brown sugar. I put like I would say I just eyeballed it. I'm Jamaican, so we'll be cooking to taste and flavor. So I used half of the condensed milk in this episode of Cooking with Tash. I only used half of the condensed milk. See, I was showing you, because you want that sweetness, but you also want to not like have diabetes by it done. That's laSoy milk, and that's perfect for vegans and vegetarians. And I just add a little warm water because I had my kettle that's boiled, and I just dissolve it and put it in the pot for flavor. And I'm telling you, this is so good. It makes it so creamy. Or if you don't have that, you can substitute with almond milk or whichever other type of milk you will like. And that's vanilla, good old vanilla Benjamin's extract. And that's the finished products. I can't believe we got here so fast. But yes, and as you can see, I got a lot. This will serve me for like the entire week. But I love having porridge for breakfast, so it would be perfect for me. So yeah guys, that's what I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and put on your post notifications for more videos to come. Bye.